Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this great recipe called scent leaf. This is the type of scent leaf. It's from my state, Edo State. So this scent leaf is very big, so we call it a bewewea. So this is the one I'm going to be making today, and these are the bush meat I will be using, and these are the fish, fresh fish, and these are the snail and crayfish and pepper. Please, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and you are all welcome. All my subscribers, thank you all. So this is the ground scent leaf. It's already ground. You just have to add them to the pot. So these are all the ground scent leaf. We call it a bewewea. So right away, we're just gonna add the snail to eat. These are all the snail, and we're gonna add the fish. These are all the fish. We're just gonna add all this to eat. So they will all cook together, and we're gonna add seasoning and salt. So remember, the scent leaf already have pepper and crayfish. So now these are the seasoning, and we're just gonna add a little bit of salt. This is the salt. Just add salt, and we're going to mix everything together, and also have a little palm oil. So we're going to have just a little bit of palm oil, and we're just going to let it cook. Just little. You don't really need too much of it. Then cover it up and let it cook. So this is the soup. Is cooking already with the snail and the fish. Right away, we're just going to add, we call it a barrier. We're just going to add some of it to this very soup. It's like locust beans. So it's fermented with this plantain leaves. So now I'm going to add this meat, bush meat, adding it to it, so that they all cook together very well. So this is it with the bush meat, fish, and snail. So we're just going to cover it up and let it start to cook. So this is the soup. It's cooking. It's cooking very well. So let me just see how this soup is cooking. So still have to leave it for few more minutes before we will serve. So this is the soup, and it's cooking so well. This is the scent leaf soup made with bush meat, fresh fish, and snail. So I hope you all enjoyed this cooking with me. I'm gonna eat it with starch. This is the starch. It's already there on the fire. And please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. So it's cooked now. It's almost time to serve. So watch out how I am going to serve this very delicious soup. So this is the soup. It's ready to serve. Now I just have to serve myself. So hot. This is one of the best soup you ever eat. So all the snail and bush meat. So this is it. And now, so this is the black soup. And this is the starch, it's already served. And right now I am going to start eating this soup. We call it black soup, and it's also scent leaf soup, or you can also call it a bewewea soup. So this is how it will look. Wow, come and dine with me, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. Thank you all. Bye for now.